Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to Lakshan Learn Maths. I am Rajeshwari and this video is very important for me and because this has been recorded on 22nd February 2022, that is 22/02/2022, which is a palindrome day. I hope this video is very useful for you because I am going to discuss more important sums for class 10. Now shall we go to the video now? Okay. The first sum is solve the pair of linear equations by elimination method. The sum is written already on the board. That is 2x plus y is equal to 3 and 4x minus y is equal to 9. Now, let us name this equation as 1 and 2. Just rewrite this equation first. It is 2x plus y equals to 3. Name it as equation number 1. And second equation, write down as it is. It is 4x minus y equals to 9. Equation number 2. Now, by just observing the variables of y, here we have plus y and minus y. So, when I just add these two equations, these two variables will give cancels. When I add these two equations, what happens? So, plus y and minus y become 0. So, that is why it's very easy to solve it by elimination method. Now, just let us solve it just by adding equations 1 and 2. Right here, adding equations 1 and 2. Adding equations 1 and 2. Okay. So, what is it we get here? It is 2x plus 4x becomes 6x plus, should I need to write plus? Not necessary because plus y and minus y get cancelled. When I add, it becomes 0y. So I need not to mention here 0y. Just cancel it neatly. Clear? Now, which is equal to 9 plus 3 equals to 12. So solving this linear equation is very easy. So therefore, x is equal to 12 by 6, which is equal to 2. So it is 6 ones and 6 twos are. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 2. Very easily we have got the value of x. Now, how to get the value of y? How to get the value of y? Yes, by substituting the obtained value of x either in equation 1 or in equation 2. So, let us substitute in equation 1. Okay. Substituting equation, it's not equation, it is x value. Substituting x is equal to 2 in equation 1. In equation 1. So we get it is 2 into 2 plus y equals to 3. Equals to 3. Yes. Therefore, very easy to get y value. Y is equal to, so 3 as it is. And 2 2s are 4 here. This 4 which is towards the left hand side, I am going to shift it towards the right hand side. That is transposing. So it becomes minus 4. 2 2s are 4. So 4 plus 4 becomes minus 4 once we transpose. Now y becomes, what is the value of y? So 3 minus 1 becomes minus 1. Yes, hence it is solved. So the values of x and y are x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. Now, let us see the second sum. Now, let us see the second problem. Show that the lines represented by linear pair of equations 2x plus 3y equals to 1 and 5x plus 6y equals to 2 are intersecting lines by comparing their ratios. That is, ratios in the sense coefficients. Clear? So here the two equations are given. Let us try to write on that. It is 2x plus 3y equals to 1. Second equation is 5x plus 6y equals to 2. Now here we have to just show that these two lines represent, or these two equations represent, pair of linear equations represents intersecting lines. Just observe these intersecting lines. Now here we have to recall the conditions for intersecting lines. So intersecting lines will be like this. So very rough figure I am just drawing here. Yes. So these two lines will meet each other, intersecting lines. Yes. Now here, to just show these two equations are intersecting lines, we have to just compare the ratios. So before that, let us just write the ratios, that is equations for this. For this equation, what is A1 value? A1 is 2, A1, B1 value is 3, and C1 value is 1. And okay, C1 value we have to shift it towards left hand side, it becomes -1. So again, A2 it is 5, B2 it is 6, and C2 it is -2. When we compare these equations in standard form, that is A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0, we just get these two, these are the values. Okay, and so let us just compare the ratio. To compare the ratio, that is A1 by A2, for intersecting lines, we must know the condition. So intersecting lines, they are not equal. Okay, the ratios are not equal, which I have already explained in the previous video. Okay, so that video you can watch it, and that link also I have given in the description. You can just check it. So it is A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So this is the condition for intersecting line. Okay, so it is A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Now, so let us write now here it is 2 by 5. Let us write it is 3 by 6. Okay, so 3 by 6. Now look at this. Of course, they are not equal. I just write it directly. Here it is 3 ones are, it is 3 twos are. So here 2 by 5 is not equal to 1 by 2. Yes. Therefore, so the given equations are intersecting. Okay students, you can just practice these two sums, and in the next video let us discuss few more sums. So let me meet you in the next video. So till then it's bye and namaste from Rajeshwari. Bye.